Assalamu alaikum. Here is Roshni with CID News Network Islamabad. Today's English headlines. PM Imran Khan approves establishment of Civil Drone Authority. Prime Minister Imran Khan has approved the establishment of Civil Drone Authority in order to use the technology for commercial, research, agriculture and other peaceful purposes. PM Imran congratulates Sindrani and Afridi on Senate win. Minister Imran Khan has congratulated Sadiq Sindrani and Mirza Muhammad Afridi on securing the Senate chairman and deputy chairman elections. PIA other airlines asked to submit recommendation for aviation policy. The Civil Aviation Authority has directed the airlines, including Pakistan International Airlines, to seek improvements in the National Aviation Policy 2019. LHC to hear pleas seeking cancellation of Maryam's bail on March 15. The Lahore High Court has fixed the National Accountability Bureau's plea for hearing seeking cancellation of bail granted to Pakistan Muslim League Nawaz Vice President Maryam Nawaz in Chaudhry Sugar Mills case. CAA extends travel SOPs for Pakistan-bound visitor till March 18. The Civil Aviation Authority in a notification stated that the standard operating procedures to be followed by all inbound travelers to Pakistan have been extended till March 18. Car bomb kills at least 7 and injures 53 in Afghan Herat province. A powerful car bomb near a police station on Friday night killed at least 7 people and wounded more than 50 others in Afghanistan's western Herat province. This is the end of today's news. If you didn't subscribe our channel yet, please subscribe it, like it, share it and comments on it. And also follow us on Facebook. Take care and stay tuned with CID News Network Islamabad. Goodbye.
You are watching CID News Network Islamabad.